Welcome back to our Nzema lessons. Today we are going to look at greetings in Nzema. Hope you loved the previous lessons and you are going to love this one too. I know you've been waiting for this and you're going to get it today. If this is your first time seeing us on this channel, click on the notification bell to subscribe so that you get any new video that drops. Alright, so let's move on. Today we are looking at greetings. In Nzema we say Ahyebizalɛ. Ahyebizalɛ. You brought them together. You can separate them to make it Ahyebizalɛ. But since they are brought together, we say Ahyebizalɛ. Now in Nzema we have how we greet in the morning, afternoon and evening, the same way we do in English. In Nzema in the morning we say Mo. So Mo in English is morning. And we greet Asio. Then when you greet, the other person will respond Eyo. So Asio, Eyo. Then the one who responded will also greet the person Eyelo. Then the first person will respond Eyo. Hope you got it. Asio, Eyo, Eyelo, Eyo. That is for morning. Let's move on to the afternoon. In the afternoon is when we say Ewiazo. So the greetings goes like this. Mahao, that's the first person who greets Mahao. Then the one they are greeting will respond Eyo. Eyo. That is it. So the first person will greet. The one that has been greeted will respond and also greet back. Then the first person who greeted will also respond. So it is Mahao, Eyo, Eyo. Then we move on to the evening. Evening in Nzema we say Nosole. So the greetings in the evening goes like this. Aru. That's the first person who greet Aru. Then the one you are greeting will respond Eyo. I will see you. Then also respond Eyo. So it is calling and response. So you greet me, I respond, and I greet you back, then you also respond. That is for the greetings, that is in the morning, afternoon and evening. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'm going to drop more videos and you will love them. Thank you for watching. God bless you.